Hey everyone, it's me Nick. I'm back, and this is a room tour video. Okay, now before I start off with this video, I just want to set aside the fact that I am a minimalist. So I don't own that much stuff, and being a minimalist basically means you own less and everything that you own has their own separate purposes and their own functionality. My hair is kind of looking funny, I think, in this video. Kind of feel it falling right. Yeah, it's not straight, it's my barber's fault. Barber is all to blame. But anyway, without further ado, let's head on with this video. I'm sorry if this isn't gonna be the best quality of video. I know I have done better, and I really want to make this video for you guys because it's all ready, it's all planned out. But yeah, I had to sacrifice a bit of the quality. I don't know, let me know in the comments. But anyway, let's start off with the video. So, over here, all of the things that you'll be seeing here are all necessary for my everyday life. Again, I don't own anything that doesn't have any purpose because, again, I did declutter already. But yeah, here I have my school papers, school stuff, staplers, accessories, and other stuff. Wallet. Inside here I have my earphones, my wired earphones, which I only use for online meetings because wired earphones have the microphone closer to your mouth. And for the rest, I use this. My wireless headphones, because again, wireless is the way to go. Over here, I have a funny story actually about this. This is a pen holder that my teacher, my science teacher, actually had us make a project 2 years ago. It was a recyclable themed project, and again, your lazy ass boy figured he could just cut a Coke bottle in half, put in some straps, and call it a day. And again, it stood out the test of time. I still use it up until now, and now I know I can comfortably say that I made a contribution in saving the world. Over here, I have a microphone. I'm not using it right now because I am using a lapel microphone. I'm not using this because it's heavy. I'm moving a lot in this video, and I don't need a big ass microphone to be such a hassle while making this. Over here in the back, I have my headphone case, which I only use for traveling because obviously my headphone is hung around here on the side of my desk. This is what I call it, the side table. It extends my main desk to here, so you know, it kind of has that L-shaped vibe. But anyway, over here I have my water bottle, which I always fill up every morning. It has these cool stickers, Nike, Puma, Apple, etc, etc. I always fill that up every morning to stay hydrated because I don't want to go up and down the house just to stay hydrated. So yeah, I fill this up, stay hydrated, stay fresh. Over here I have my alcohol and cologne. I have an unopened one because I still have something to use. And for more fancier occasions, I use this. This is from Lacoste. To all the guys out there, I suggest for you guys to always have a perfume or cologne with you. Always smell good because you don't want to be going around meeting other people, especially the ladies. You don't want to go around meeting them smelling like crap, okay? It gives a bad first impression, and you know, the only person that will benefit from smelling good is you, and people will like you more, you'll like yourself, and you'll thank me for giving you that advice. Over here, I have a coin. Now you might be wondering why I have a coin. I have this to make certain decisions. For quick decisions, for example, if it lands heads, I flip the coin. If it lands heads, I'll choose option X. And if it lands tails, I'll choose option Y. Basically, I use this for my simple decisions when I can't decide, because sometimes I become a very hesitant person. So yeah, I have this, very convenient, very awesome. Over here, I have my trash can. It's obviously good for throwing away trash. That's its only purpose. As you can see, there's paper. So yeah, that's it for this side. Underneath is just some tissue rolls, and other essential items, which are not that much interesting. Alright, so moving on to the most favorite part of this room, my desk. I actually already made a separate tour for this desk, so if you're interested, go check that out. But in this video, I will briefly go through all the items. So first of all, I have here my lamp. It's a very cool lamp. It's rechargeable. It has 3 settings. You can adjust the temperature. And overall, I love that lamp. It's very nice. I wish I could have bought it in black, but unfortunately it was out of stock. But yeah, over here I have my speaker, my tablet, which I use always for school. I have a simple keyboard which connects via Bluetooth. And yeah, it's very slim. I'm not a big fan of those mechanical keyboards. I think it's too bulky. Although I do like that satisfying tactile feel. But I prefer this since it's slim, easier to carry, easier to use on the go. Over here I have my mouse. Not that interesting. I have my watch stand, my phone stand. And over here I have Lego. Lego was a very big part of my childhood. I always used to play alone. I also had a huge collection of Lego, and another part of my childhood was Naruto, which again, this is my favorite anime since it's the only anime I've ever seen. It's the only anime I've ever seen because I'm really not a big fan of anime, and the Naruto series was part of my childhood, and this guy right here was my favorite character. And right beside him, I have my jewelry. Because I feel like whenever I don't have anything on my wrists, I feel like my wrists are naked and it just doesn't feel good. It just doesn't feel right. So yeah. Anyway, let's now move on to this. This is my favorite part of the desk. It's very functional and very purposeful since it stores all my cables and chargers. It's very convenient. You don't have to worry where your chargers are at. It's all in one place, and again, it makes your desk look a lot cleaner, especially when you have wireless items such as my desk over here. I have everything wireless. Looks very clean, very sleek, very minimal. Lastly, I have here my headphones, which is hung on the side of my table. Over here, I have my ergonomic office chair, which is not the most ergonomic, but it helps greatly with reducing my lower back pains because of the lumbar support, and I just really love this. It's fairly comfortable. And yeah, let's now move on to this side. Let me know if I should add some stuff over here on the walls. It's very plain, it's very white, and the reason for that is I'm not gonna be staying here in this room permanently. I'll actually move out once face-to-face classes start. I'll go back to my hometown and study there. And yeah, it kind of makes me sad to leave this room. I have to make sacrifices in order to gain something. But yeah, anyway, let me know if I should add something, because I personally think my room looks very boring without anything on the walls except for my bag. And that wasn't planned. Actually, I just saw a random hook, and just thought of hanging my bag since it saves up some space here. My mother was very superstitious. She's a very superstitious person, so she told me to add an evil eye, which I don't know what it does, but I just saw her hanging it, and now I can't do anything about it. I have a chair and an air humidifier, which is in black and white, which I really love. The chair matches the color of the legs of my table. This humidifies the air, keeps it clean. And over here, the chair, it stores my other items, but that's not the only purpose it has, because instead of me going to my bed, I can just actually lift my legs up, sit over here, and relax in that specific way. I guess that adds functionality and purpose to this chair. I don't know why I'm talking about this. It's kind of late at night. It's already 12:39 a.m. I don't have time anymore to make this video, so I'm kind of rushing it already, which is why I'm making it in a vlog style type of way. I have my everyday bag. This is what I use when I'm going out. I have here my face mask, and lastly, I have here my sanitary items. Over here, I have my deodorant, my hair stuff, my toothbrush, and my facial items, which is a lot. Which you don't need all of these items to take care of your face, okay? Because I once started with a simple soap and just upgraded as I moved forward. But yeah, again guys, it's bare minimum to have this. Once you start keeping this in mind, having a routine, again, you don't need all of these, okay? A simple soap or ice will do. Do it consistently and you know, you'll see the results. And again, guys, okay? It's bare minimum. Do take care of yourself. It's not feminine. Please get rid of that toxic masculinity mindset and start taking care of yourself, because it will only do wonders for you. It's not feminine. Again, it will only elevate you as a man, and once you do this, you will start gaining confidence, and again, you will benefit from it. So remember that. I actually also have a tongue scraper. Doesn't join all the other stuff around here because that's gross. So yeah, I have it on a separate pocket. This is a tongue scraper, which I use every day now, because a simple toothbrush and brushing your tongue won't do the trick. You actually need one of these. Yeah, that is it for the health kit. Nothing much to talk about. So let's now move on to this side. My laundry basket, which again, self-explanatory. You don't need to talk about that much. This actually I use for my workouts. I hang this and, you know, do pull-ups. And I also use this side for dips. Really love working out, okay? Why? Because first of all, I look good. Second, I stay healthy. So I guess that's pretty much it for this side. I don't know if it looks proportion, but I don't know, it works out for me right now. I'll probably switch up the positioning in the future, but right now it stays like this. Over here, I have this little guy over here. I have a fan. I also have AC, which has these, I don't know why there are tapes around it. We came here and that was already there. I decided not to take it off because previous owner of this house must probably had a reason. Over here, I have my salt lamp, their camera stuff. This salt lamp looks really nice, especially at night. It looks very chill, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep it like this. Of my sneaker collection, it's not that much. I only own the essentials, you know, the white sneakers, the everyday sneakers, basketball shoes, etc. My rack, which has hoodies and my dress shirts. I didn't know this yet. I actually don't own a closet. Okay, my mom asked me if I wanted to have a custom-made bed frame and a custom closet. I refused because, again, I'm not gonna be staying here permanently. No one's gonna use it when I'm gone. So I actually have my other clothes, my other pants on boxes like these. Actually very functional. Once I do move out again, I can just take all of these, put it in these boxes, and then, you know, grab this and go. Very convenient. And right now, this works out for me. That is it for that side. Lastly, over here is my bed. I was actually planning to buy black bed sheet to match desk. I own gray pillowcases, so I figured, what the hell, it just matches with the whole thing. Nothing much more to talk about. It's on the floor, not literally on the floor, but you get the whole idea. Tons of minimalists actually sleep on the floor and have their setup like this. I don't need a bed frame. I'm only gonna be staying here for a couple of months. So yeah, that's basically it for the room tour. It is 1 a.m. in the morning and it started raining. Over here I have a window, which again, it started raining, so that is basically it for this week's video for the room tour. This is actually my longest video ever made since it is in a vlog type of format. I'm not used to making these type of videos. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you on the next one.
in the